ASMR YouTube channel.
Hi, I'm the camera girl for Emma's video. Hi guys, welcome back. Today, Emma's gonna be making
some slime.
Yeah, Emma, the camera's this way, not over there.
I know.
It's her.
So
she's using
it's fluffy slime.
shave gel,
Shaving gel.
glue, and
This is shaving gel. These two are from Dollar Tree. This one's from Target.
no, that's not.
No, but
That's from like it was from like a place, like a not handmade, but everything is handmade from there. It's only in San Antonio, cause it's like a business.
No, it's not where Daddy got it.
Yeah, the one where we got it.
That's not where we got the body scrubs.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not the one where we bought it from.
Okay, video. We already wasted a minute. So you can just take it out then. So first you put in glue. Glue it.
I don't want to do it in the way you're saying.
After the Sonos Family Reunion on Netflix, which is one of my favorite shows. I'm so excited. Besides Stranger Things.
Wait, is Stranger Things? Do you like Stranger Things better?
I don't know. They're both really good. Except they're like complete opposite in shows, kind of. Okay. So you're gonna add all the glue. You can put it, but you can just take off the whole.
I don't want to.
That's gonna take forever, you know that? You're gonna waste like half the time on the video just opening the glue.
You can just pause it.
Yeah, but you can't pause it for that long.
I know. Just pause it for a little bit.
Okay.
Okay, so this is my glue. I'm not gonna make that much because I'm gonna have to save it. So next, what should I do?
Shaving. No, shaving.
Okay.
You should do it like, you should make it, you should make the slime.
I want you to come over here. So this. Look, just like that. Dude, just keep it right there. Keep it right there. Zoom it. Look.
You should move your hand for it.
I think it went outside.
Yeah. Come.
So I'm gonna mix it. Look, that's your finger. I'm gonna mix it.
All I can do is your hand, but whatever. Okay. Okay, sorry, that was it. Come. Pause.
You can pause it.
Well, I just unpaused it right now.
Pause it.
Okay.
There.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tired.
That's it?
Yes.
Mixy. 2 minutes later. Okay, I'm gonna undo it just for a minute to see how it's going. Okay, so it looks very
Nice.
very different. Yeah, you definitely probably are gonna need it. Like, need it. Like,
You just need to mix it. That's all. I mean, it's looked like this before, and you just mix it. Do you still have baking oil? Yeah, I'm gonna put some baking oil.
okay,
Just suck it.
pause it. Okay, that looks really weird. I don't want to mess it up. Okay. Q and A. Dun dun dun.
I couldn't find any, so.
Hey, I need your help with
Okay.
Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add the foam beads.
Foam beads.
So it is pretty good. I want.
Can you move your hand? Just like
I want it to be
Ugh.
white because I want it to like just like that.
Not too much probably.
Who was that? From where?
Oh, Emma, you were in trouble because that project.
My barely put any.
Okay, well, no, you took out all of it, Emma.
I didn't do all of it.
Yes, you did, because my thing has
I
no.
didn't. Okay, just show them signs.
There, okay.
Okay.
Now the final thing.
Okay, it's still a little stringy. Look, Sophie, it's sticky. I'm still gonna mix it with more. Come over, you guys. I'm gonna add a little drop. Oh, there. Oh, too much weight. Do mine.
I accidentally zoomed into your butt. Because you know how it has like zoom in level 1 and zoom in level 2? Well, I did zoom in level 1 and it showed your butt.
I was gonna eat it. It's slime. Wait. It's slime. Okay.
Feel like no one can take another stop me. Strike my fire.
Okay, wait.
Okay, and then final slime review. For real this time, probably.
Really? Why did you tell me to do this?
Because that's.
You told me to put my hands inside. I'm still trying to activate it, so.
Well, then you should have told me. Okay. Well, then you shouldn't have listened to me.
I told you.
Okay.
I thought you were gonna do it for once. Okay. Next. You're just facing my right here. I'm going to do the next part 2. Okay. And I'll just gonna activate it for a little bit, and then I'll show.
Goodbye. Subscribe, smash the like button, giveaway, and 5 subscribers. Bye.